Calling all the Pinterest girlies, this video is for you. I'm living my Pinterest dream. How many that girl dream self becoming her pins do you have saved right now? Hundreds? Thousands? How many pins have you actually done? Not just thought about it, not just saved for another day, but actually executed. Because here's what happens. You see the perfect that girl morning routine and you pin it. You see the dream apartment, dream home aesthetic and you pin that. You see the workout plan that you know will finally get you into the perfect shape and you go ahead and pin it. And you see that dream wardrobe aesthetic that you know would just look amazing on you and you pin that too. Then you close Pinterest, go to bed, wake up tomorrow, and your life looks exactly the same. Your boards are full, but your actual life is still feeling stuck. And I know because I did this for years. My Pinterest boards had everything. The dream morning routine, the dream breakfast, the perfect matcha latte, the desk aesthetic, the room aesthetic, the wardrobe, everything. My Pinterest was perfect. My life, not so much. I'd wake up, scroll my That Girl Pinterest board, feel motivated and inspired for a few minutes, but after that, then absolutely nothing different. Because here's the thing nobody tells you about Pinterest boards. Pinterest boards are not planned. They're inspiration, they're vision, they're beautiful collections of what you want, but they are not a roadmap for how to get there. It's like having a picture of your dream destination, but no GPS and no map of how to actually get there. That's why you're stuck. Not because you're lazy, not because you can't, because you've been collecting inspiration without creating an action plan. You're a pin hoarder, a collector, but not a life builder. Until now. Because today I'm showing you how to turn that beautiful, that girl becoming her Pinterest board into an actual, actionable, step-by-step plan. So that 30 days from now, 90 days from now, you're not just still pinning her, you're living her. So let's get into this video. If we haven't met yet, I'm Chelsea Elise and I am a true Pinterest girly. And I really mean that because last month I had almost 4 million Pinterest views. And I help women like you, the ones with gorgeous vision boards and big dreams, actually achieve what you've been pinning. So let me show you how to turn your That Girl board into a plan. Step 1, audit your That Girl Pinterest board. And you may be like, well, I don't have a That Girl board, or I have a Becoming Her board, or I have a Dream Self board, whatever that one board that means you becoming your future self, I want you to go to that board and audit it. What are you pinning most? Is it workouts? Is it desk aesthetics, capsule wardrobes, healthy recipes, career inspo? Whatever you're pinning most, that is what your soul is craving, and that's where you start. For me, it was fashion and beauty. I had like 500 pins of cute outfits and glowing clear skin and skincare routine. My real goal was to become my dream self, to change my identity from who I was to this new branding, this new persona, this new reinvention of me. See how when you get down to it, you get a whole lot clearer on what you really want? What is your most pin category? That is your focus area. Step 2 is to turn those pins into specific goals. Because right now your pins are probably just like vague vibes and we need to make them specific goals. Bad goal, be healthy. That's just a pin, that's not a plan. Good goal, work out 4 times a week, eat over 100 grams of protein every day, and lose 10 pounds by March. So you see the difference. One is a dream and one is an actual plan. Let's do another one. Good goal, declutter my room by January 31st and upgrade my bedroom aesthetic by February 28th. See, we're getting specific, we're getting measurable, we're actually giving it a deadline. This is how you turn Pinterest inspo into actual achievable goals. So look at your most pinned category and ask, what's the specific goal here? Not the vibe, but the goal. Write it down, make it clear, and give it a deadline. Now you have a real goal and not just pretty pictures. Step 3, break that goal into 90-day milestones or quarters. Lose 10 pounds by March 31st still feels big, right? So let's say month 1, you decide to walk 4 times a week and lose 3 pounds. Maybe month 2, you add in healthy meal prepping to lose 5 pounds. And then in March, maybe you increase your workouts to 5 days a week so that you can increase the intensity to lose that additional 2 pounds. That way, it's not overwhelming, but it is a step-by-step that you can actually follow. And then that way, it's not like this big goal that you're trying to transform overnight, but it's something that you're building progressively, which helps you to actually achieve these goals. Step 4, turn those monthly milestones into weekly actions. What do you need to do each week to hit your monthly milestones? The fitness example, maybe it's find time in your schedule to walk. Decide on a time that you're going to walk every day that works well for you. Or maybe it's buying a cute new outfit. Week 2, maybe it's tracking what you eat and tracking your water. Week 4, maybe it's researching different meals so that you can do the meal prepping. This is how you go from pin to weekly to-do list. And this is the game changer because it's scheduled and it's on your calendar for the week. And step 5, build the systems to support it. And when it comes to my system, I recommend that you have 3 things: the physical, the digital, and the mental. The physical is a binder or a planner where all your plans live. The digital are apps, calendars, reminders, Notion, so you don't forget. And the mental is affirmations, visualizations, subliminals, all the things that help you become her from the inside out. All 3 of these things work together. And next week, I have something super excited. I'm going to show you how to build the physical and something new that I'm doing this year, which is creating a That Girl 2026 vision binder that makes all this work. But first, you need these 5 steps. So let's recap what you're doing this week. Step 1, audit your board that you're pinning the most. Step 2, turn those pins into specific measurable goals with deadlines. Step 3, break it into 90-day milestones month by month. Step 4, create weekly actions so you know exactly what you're doing week by week. And step 5, build your systems: digital system, physical system, and your mental system. Do these 5 steps and your Pinterest boards aren't just inspiration anymore. It's a plan. It's a real actionable step-by-step roadmap to help you become that girl, become her, become your dream self in 2026. And you can do this because it wasn't long ago that I could barely get out of bed, was scrolling Pinterest in the wee hours of the morning, literally in tears, wondering how I could possibly create a life that I love, and finally deciding to do the things that I'm teaching in these steps. And then I created the system to actually achieve your Pinterest goals, stayed consistent, stayed disciplined, and now built my dream business, getting almost 4 million Pinterest views and over 30,000 to my website every single month. So if you like this video, then definitely hit that like button and subscribe, because you don't want to miss my next video, which is helping you to create your That Girl vision binder. I'm trying to create the name of this. And if you're ready to get started right now, definitely go to my description and grab my Pinterest to Dream Life starter kit. It's free and it'll help you to start turning your pins and your vision board photos into actual plans so that you can achieve your goals in 2026. Building a life that you love starts right now. So until next time.